Hey guys, it's Rick with Rick Sells Tools on YouTube and eBay. These wrenches are live right now. I wanted to go over with you. This is a Mac set. The model numbers are CW32, CW30, CW28, CW26, CW22, CW20, CW18. The sizes are 1 inch, 15/16, 7/8, 13/16, 11/16, 5/8, and 9/16. I'm going to show you each one individually. They have owner's marks, but it's interesting. I can't see it unless I twist it. So it does. Sometimes the owner's mark really show up. Sometimes you can't see it. But here's the 1 inch. This is the CW32. There's the owner's mark right there, if you care. I don't know if these wrenches have really been used too much at all. But there's the CW32, 1 inch. Here's the 15/16 CW30. Don't see an owner's mark on this one. This is the CW30, 15/16. I don't see an owner's mark on this one. This is 7/8 CW28. And then the owner's mark is right here. 7/8. These are beautiful wrenches. CW28. Here's the CW26. This is the 13/16. 13/16. The owner's mark is over here. It's so light. Barely see it right there. 13/16. CW22, 11/16, CW22, 11/16. Five-eighths CW20, 5/8 CW20. Again, all of these on eBay. Rick Sells Tools. It's up right now. Last one, 9/16. This is a CW18FD. CW18FD. It says Mac Drive on it. It looks the same as the other ones. It's just, the font is a little different. So again, CW18FD. Nine/16. Here's a close-up for you. I'll go down the middle and so you can see the model numbers. And then the business ends. I'm not sure if all of these have been used. I'm not sure if all of these have been used. These wrenches are clean, clean. Here's the open end side. Now they flip them over so you can see the sizes. So there you go. These are on eBay. Rick Sells Tools. If you're interested in them, go get them. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.